Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 6th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So on the dollar CAD, I've been saying that it looks like we potentially could be getting close to ending a pattern, ending a corrective pattern. The only thing that's going to prove that to me is the break of the low of wave 4. If this is a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then wave 5, then what's going to prove to me that this is the end of a correction is price going down and taking out that structure. Anything before that, like if it does go down, if we think that it's over, we're just speculating that it's over. We don't know that it's over until it breaks that low. It could always just be another pullback within an uptrend. It could always just end up making another higher low and continuing the uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, we don't even have a break of structure down on the 1 hour. And even if we do get that break of structure, it doesn't prove a reversal on the higher time frames. All it really would do is prove that the wave from here to here, where the last series of higher highs, higher lows started, is complete. So as of right now, I got my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. If I get a break to the upside at a Fibonacci level, I would definitely continue to look for logs. If it breaks this low right here, the first thing I would do is on my Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high, and I would observe it to see if it goes down and breaks this low, proving the end of a correction on the higher time frame, or whether it actually just continues to make corrective patterns and continues the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.